Print documents or photos from Android or an iPhone or iPad using HP Smart. To print with HP Smart, the app must be installed and configured with your HP printer. On your phone or tablet, open HP Smart. Make sure your printer is selected and then tap the option for the type of print you want. If prompted, allow HP Smart access to your device storage. Select where the photo or document is located. If printing from an online account, such as Facebook, you must have an internet connection. Select the document or photo you want to print. Tap the Edit icon to make any changes to the photo or document, or adjust iOS print settings, and then tap Done. Tap Print. If printing from Android, make any desired changes to the print settings and then tap the Print icon. The photo or document prints according to your settings.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.